Want to make extra cash in 2025? Here are the top 10 side hustles you can start today and earn big. Let's dive in. Hello, welcome to the FinTune YouTube channel. If you're new here, we share the best tips on personal finance, saving, and making money. Today's video is all about the top 10 side hustles to earn extra money in 2025. These are not the boring old ideas you've heard before. We're talking about side hustles that are trending and super profitable right now. But before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more valuable content. Don't forget to share this video with anyone looking to boost their income. Now, let's get started. 1. AI-powered freelancing. AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are in high demand. Businesses are hiring freelancers to create AI-generated content, chatbots, and visuals. You don't need to be an expert, learn the basics, and you can start offering services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Virtual event hosting. As remote work and virtual events grow, there's a need for hosts and organizers. You can earn money planning and moderating online webinars, conferences, and workshops for companies. Number 3. Reselling high-demand products on TikTok. Social media selling is booming. Use platforms like TikTok Shop to resell trending items such as fashion, gadgets, or skincare products. Create short, engaging videos to attract buyers. Number 4. Online course creation. If you're skilled in anything, cooking, coding, marketing, turn it into an online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create, upload, and sell your course. Passive income, here you come. Number 5. Print-on-demand business. Design unique t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them using platforms like Printful or Redbubble. No inventory needed, just upload your designs and they handle the rest. Becoming a content repurposer. Content creators are always looking for ways to repurpose their videos, blogs, or podcasts. Offer services to convert videos into Instagram Reels or turn blog posts into email newsletters. Subscription box services. People love personalized subscription boxes, be it for beauty products, snacks, or books. You can start small and cater to a specific niche, such as eco-friendly items or pet toys. 8. Remote fitness trainer. With apps like Zoom and specialized platforms, you can train clients from the comfort of your home. If you have a fitness certification or even a knack for yoga, this side hustle is perfect. 9. NFT art and collectibles. The NFT market is still thriving. Learn how to create and sell digital art or collectibles using platforms like OpenSea. You don't have to be a professional artist. Tools like Canva can help you get started. 10. Local delivery partner. With food delivery apps expanding, there's demand for drivers or riders. Partner with services like Uber Eats or DoorDash to make quick money in your spare time. And there you have it. The top 10 side hustles to earn extra money in 2025. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know if you want to know more about any of the side hustles in detail in the comments below. We will create a complete video on the same. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to FinTune, and share it with your friends. Remember, the key to making money is to take action. So pick a hustle and get started today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.